What is car faster? What you think, guys? Ferrari or this? Today you will see next experiment. It will take more faster than yesterday, I think. You will see movie Discover of Telecompany production Svetlana and Douglas Conson. Sponsor of program Douglas Conson, director of stage Svetlana Conson.
Okay. Those were a couple little model cars I got in Italy 20 years ago. I'm a big Ferrari fan. Anyways, I'm gonna go through and show you guys kind of like why I think this thing can loop. First of all, I have the meter in volts AC. And just across the coil, nothing else, it's 6.38 volts. Now, I'm going to connect these caps in parallel. This is the resonator caps, I call them. They're 720. Let's keep track of the input down here. This is in DC, it's drawing 1.2 amps. If there's just 0.367, just the one coil being the primary energized, and then this one, when you put the caps on it, it's drawing 1.2 whatever. And now, what does it say with the caps? Eight volts AC. Okay. Okay, now I have this full wave bridge hooked up. The white wires to one side of the caps and to the other side. So my meter's still in AC volts. AC volts across the full wave bridge. Now I'm going to flip it over to DC volts. Plug in the cap. Okay, the positive and the negative, positive, negative. And let's put this on DC volts. 60 volts. Yeah, this was the target, just under 16 volts in this cap, 750. Okay. It's DC, 15 under 16, so this is like safe to plug into these inverters. Now, I'll show you something impressive, somewhat impressive. I'm going to make this meter 20 amp AC, not DC, 20 amp AC. Now what I'm going to do is measure the current coming out of the measure current coming out of the in AC, coming out of the coil, going into the whole thing. Look at all those amps. So there's some potential there. And remember, we had 15 volts across this cap. Okay, so you'd think I'd just be able to shove this right into the inverter and loop it. Perhaps possible. However, I think this is like reactive current shooting through the capacitor bank. Let's see what happens if I just short out this cap. Wow, 12 amps. Well, I'm going to just leave it at that. If anyone has ideas how to loop this, let me know in comments. What I want to do is take this DC and shove it in here. First I'll put it across the battery, then I'll disconnect the battery and just have the DC in here. Trying to think of something to say. Okay, well, oh, I know, these are Schottky diodes, IN5820. These are starter motor These are start caps. Electrolytic. This is 750 UF. I could have a much bigger cap over here too. So there's what's circulating in AC. Okay, thanks for watching.